Hey, good afternoon all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, April 20th. I'm going to keep this short. Voice is still a mess. I only texted today throughout the day in the room. I will be back on, hopefully Mike tomorrow, in a limited capacity. We're looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY IWM, triple Qs. Not a bad day for the Bulls. Bulls cannot be upset with what transpired today, even though they gapped higher. The reason for that is we ended up with overlap and a higher value, but it was mostly higher all day. We traded the entire day inside of M's range, except when they gave a great opportunity when they flushed in K below it. Other than that, we did lower pocket at the end of the day. But other than that, Bulls have to be happy. I'm calling the daily up right now. There's an opportunity for an outside week up for both SPY, ES, Triple Q, and NQ. Triple Q, despite Netflix, they actually opened at their high, actually a small gap, and then gave everything up. They took back yesterday's trend day. I'm not going to go over all my trades. I didn't do a lot of trading. The chop was tremendous today. I had two excellent trades in B and then in K period. I lost on my first trade of the day on a small long against the gap. When it filled, I took it off for a loss. And then in B period, when we started accelerating to the downside and got below the price probe, I bought 150 puts, 445, which paid very nice. I didn't expect to go trend down. So I was pretty quick to take them off as soon as we took off A's low, the rest of them. It turned out to be a good trade. We had nothing but pure chop. I did a couple of trades in between throughout the day, but very small. The best trade was in K. I said I want to see what happens if we make a new low or high on the day. Well, when we took out the day's low, at first we didn't get much. I put about 25. I played the 442 calls. Put about 25 of them, about 25 cents below B. And then when they decide to flush out and get right down to POC, I was adding, and I bought 100 more right at POC from yesterday. I was long 200. Turned out to be an awesome trade. Although, boy, oh boy, I didn't know if we were going to go back and get back to B's low right away. Boy, did we do that. But I was out of them by then. But again, it doesn't take a lot of trades. I had one excellent short in B, one excellent long in K, and had a good day. Destinations. Upside for tomorrow will be 445.49, 11 wide from today, and then 447.57 daily high. The downside, we have 443.48 daily low, and then the single prints from the 19th. That's all I'm going to give you. And just quickly on the chart. So we took out both sides of the weekly, right? We had a small range last week. So it depends Friday night, how we end. Do we close above last week's high or below last week's low? If we do, we have an outside week up or down. It remains to be seen. We're in balance. We have Powell speaking at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And then on the daily, I'm calling the daily up. Even though we came in today, we finally came out of this 6-day balance to the upside. So if we take out today's low tomorrow, we're back to balance. I'd call it a 3-day balance. If we take out today's high, we continue up. Hope my voice is better, and I hope you had a good day trading. And I'll speak to you prior to the opening.